everyone, welcome to this tutorial. So in this video I'll be showing you how I make Chinese rice. So first off, you want to have vegetable oil in a pot. Let that heat up for a while, and then you add in your chopped onions as well as your chopped ginger and garlic. You want to stir fry this for a few seconds until your kitchen smells of ginger. So after this, you want to add in some chopped red bell peppers. Combine all of this together, and next you want to add in your chopped green bell peppers and your red bullet peppers. Again, stir to combine together. And after this, you want to add in your chopped green beans as well as your spring onions. Combine all of this together and let it fry for about 1 minute. And after that, I added some shrimps, thoroughly washed shrimps. I let this fry for about a minute. And after that, I added my black pepper. In this recipe, you have no need for salt, so I did add some chopped carrots and fry for about 40 seconds. I was making a big batch, so I had to share the base into two. So after sharing the base, I added the already cooked rice. This is Basmati rice, so again I'm making a big batch, so I split the rice into two. So I stirred this to combine, and after that I added my scrambled eggs. Again, you want to stir this to combine. After that, I added my dark soy sauce and some oyster sauce as well. Now you want to stir this, combine it thoroughly until the rice is coated with the dark soy sauce and oyster sauce. And after that, I added my sesame oil. Again, stir to combine and let it cook for about a minute. That's pretty much about it. It's not that hard.